What's up, you guys? Chet Guthrie, the Dream Poet here, coming to you all with the very first video of 2024. And today, guys, I am out here in the middle of nowhere, and this is a beautiful restored bridge. Anyway, you guys, it's called the Henley Mill Bridge. It was built in 1884, and you all should watch the video and learn more about it. There is a lot of cool history about this bridge and where it is going in the future. It's really awesome. Like, I highly suggest it. But anyway, you guys, remember, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Always means a lot. Till we see each other again in the next video.